Seven hours and 22 minutes. This is my last print for parts for the printer. This is a little storage box that mounts right in this area, and all these tools that came with the printer and are needed to maintain the printer can be stored in that little box. Boy, since the stepper motor smoothers were put in, this is killer printing. Absolutely amazing. Well, there it is, installed. Nice, tight, doesn't really wobble around, and it's for all the tools that came with the printer. They have to be used to maintain the printer, keep it printing well. That way they're all right here. Not a big addition, doesn't change the print quality at all, but just a little storage. Alright, that's about it. There's one more upgrade coming, a bed leveler, and basically this is all built and upgraded at this point.